Roads turned into rivers. Cars floated like boats on city roads. Streets looked like the channels of Venice. An entire truck fell into a crater after a road caved in after heavy rainfall in the city. This is Gurugram, India's millennial city where flats in some societies cost over 100 crore rupees. Heavy rainfall in Delhi NCR on Wednesday left the city waterlogged and infrastructure crumbling. Videos soon surfaced on the internet showing flooded streets and stranded vehicles practically submerged in water. The impact of a few hours of rain was so severe that the administration actually asked officers to allow employees to work from home the next day. But this whole situation left the residents of Delhi NCR and netizens fuming. Some posted videos of the submerged roads asking why people were buying flats worth crores of rupees when Gurugram's basic infrastructure had flaws, and just a few minutes of rains turned the roads into rivers. Others asked how developers were comparing Gurugram with Singapore, Dubai and New York and inflating property prices when civic failure is on clear display. Some others questioned why basic drainage facilities have not been installed on roads on which crores of rupees have been spent. While a lot of people vented their frustration on social media, the theme was the same. Why does the city where property prices are soaring, MNCs are building tall offices, NRIs are buying loads of properties, inflating land prices, why does such a city not have drainage facilities that can survive a few hours of rainfall? Another user compared it to China's infrastructure, saying that even after hours of rains, there wasn't a single drop of water which was logging the streets. In response to the backlash, the Gurugram Municipal Corporation said that their teams were actively working on the ground. They spoke to media outlets and said that drains are running at full capacity due to high rainfall and that machinery was operational to ensure discharge of storm water. They also shared images of drainage work being carried out across the city, saying that operations were underway at a war footing. The police said that cops were deployed at waterlogging spots, and TOI quoted the DCP traffic as saying that the damage to the main water pipeline on the southern peripheral road also caused flooding. But users lamented that every time it rains, it was routine that Gurugram faces chaos and it needs an effective long-term solution.
गुस्ताखी माफ हरियाणा में आपका स्वागत है। हरियाणा में 50 साल से खोजी पत्रकारिता कर रहे पवन कुमार बंसल।
Welcome to Gustaki Maaf in Gurugram. No turn Shimla. No need of going to Shimla. Come to Gurugram. Enjoy the rains, rainfall, floods, boating. Millennium City has been flooded, and the claim of Haryana government that rainy water will be drained within 1 hour was totally demolished with rains held yesterday and today. And interestingly, Union Minister Indrajit, who is MP from Gurugram, Rao Nirbir Singh, Environment Minister, who lives in Gurugram, and Naib Saini, CM Haryana, who is the chairman of Grievances Committee Gurugram, held as many as 9 meetings to ensure that rainy water is drained out within 1 hour. But their claim has been totally demolished. Today, entire or major part of Gurugram is flooded. Even the flats having value of 100 crore, the residents are confined, virtually house arrest, and the water is accumulated outside their houses, their colonies. There is no provision of going out. Such is the scenario. Forget, enjoy, come to Gurugram and come to my residence Gurugram. No need of coming by car. You can come, you hire Rapid Metro from Skandarpur Metro Station, hire Rapid Metro from Skandarpur Metro Station, and halt at Sector 54 Rapid Metro Station. From there, my house is at walking distance. Have pakoras with chai with me, with Darjeeling tea gifted to me by some friend, and have my copy of book on politics and culture of Haryana, Haryana ke Lalo ke Sab Range Kisse. Have enjoyed Shimla in Gurugram. Namaskar.